So welcome to another edition of How to Fix It Yourself with Dave and Dave. We're taking a little different approach today than what we've done in the past. In the past, we've always been fixing a vehicle that needed some repair or some upgrade to make things work better. Today, we're taking a brand new Toyota Tacoma SR four-wheel drive pickup that's a base model of the SR. And over the next few months, in between some of our other videos, we're going to do a cosmetic and other upgrades on this truck to kind of tweak it out to make it something that is really customized to us. Now, we also want your inputs as to what you think would be cool. So some of the things are going to be very, very simple. They're going to be cosmetic issues. For example, just simply putting in some liners in the bottom of the door handles and cup holders and things like that, that it looks good. You know, it's got the nice red stripe around it, and it's not a big deal to just buy it and drop it in. I don't think we need to do a whole video on how to drop one of these in. Additionally, we're going to upgrade the carpets, get the Tacoma off-road. Of course, this is not a TRD vehicle, but nevertheless, the carpet looks really nice. It's much better than the stock that comes with it. So some of them are going to be simple upgrades like that we'll show you. Others, you know, we're very interested in what you think. You know, what should we do with the wheels? Should we do fender flares? You know, should we do other things? You know, one of the items we have in mind already is seat covers, or replacing the seats. So these are things that would be very interesting to have your inputs as to what you would like to see. Also, we have our own ideas that we're going to be putting up. Now, we're not abandoning the fix-it-yourself. We're coming back to the Pathfinder and some of the other vehicles to continue to do upgrades and repairs on those. So we're now just mixing in some little more cosmetic items that just might be a little more fun to see and might give you some ideas as to what you can do with some of your own vehicles. So let's go ahead and get started, and we'll do a couple of things today, or at least show a few things today. Very simple cosmetic items, but at least this kicks off what we want to do over the next several months and maybe even over the course of the next year. So you'll notice this is really an advanced install. In fact, they've got very detailed instructions as to how to get this carpet in. So you really, really, really need to follow the instructions. Whereas many of the carpets will have pop-ons where you just kind of push it on. This one has twist-ons. So you put the carpet in and you twist it to lock it in place. Again, you know, we're being a little facetious here. It's not hard to put a carpet in. But, you know, it's just one of those fun things that you want to look for. You may want to tear your instructions off. I'm just going to kind of fold it down under so as that we don't actually lose it. And we get it out of the way so it's not in the, you know, not visible. But just now we have the upgraded carpets in. And they're in place, locked in place, and it looks nice. It gives the interior a little nicer view. So these are things that are simple to do, not very expensive, and kind of helps it be a little bit more of your vehicle as you upgrade it to things that you want to make it look better. Again, these are very simple, but they look nice. They have the nice red striping, and all it does is kind of keep the bottom of your handle clear and clean, and makes it easier to clean because you can pull this out and wipe it down very easily, where sometimes getting down into the interior here to wipe things up if something spills can be a little bit problematic about getting it all clean. So these are actually very useful as well as cosmetically nice. You just drop it in and there it'll help protect your the interior of your door handle. So for every one of the indents, whether it's handles, cup holders, whatever, that's part of the kit. You can see it all laid out here and see all the different options. They're easy, they drop in, and it makes it very nice inside your car. It makes things kind of look a little more professional, a little more your own. So go ahead and have fun with it. Enjoy putting them in. Doesn't take much time, and it will actually help your vehicle maintain a little bit more of a cleaner interior and cleaner environment. So we highly recommend this. Is a very simple item, not very expensive, and it's very, very complete. Well, we appreciate you watching our video. Hopefully it's given you some ideas. Please, again, be sure and click the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Click the like button so you get a ding notice when a new video is released. And please purchase anything that you need through our links below.